In this little tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the We Are Makers jewelry press. The press comes with one standard alphabet press and some blanks. We are going to be making a simple charm today for Mother's Day. First, we are going to pick out our letters, and I will be spelling out Best Mom, and I will be putting them in the even spacing section. Pick your charm and add your sticker on top, which will help you get perfect placement every time. Add your charm blank underneath of the jewelry press, and we are going to set the dial to our thickness. The material that I'm using is relatively thin, so I'm going to set this at like a 9.5. Place the metal stamp into the jewelry press with the letter facing you. Then we'll adjust the bottom to the coordinating number to the placement that we want our first letter. So for me, that will be on number 8. The numbers help you space out your letters perfectly so that you will get that perfect placement every single time. The metal stamps are also magnetic so that they just pop into place and they're really easy to take in and out. Make sure that every time you finish a letter, you move the base over so that you can have room for your next letter. The coordinating numbers will be down at the bottom where we originally placed our letters. And voila, you can remove that from the base and we have our nice jewelry blank ready to go. I am actually going to be using this Best Mom charm to make a card for my mom. I know that she's just going to love this because every time I make my mom something handmade, she holds onto it and cherishes it. She still has stuff that I made her back in kindergarten. The paper collection that I am using is from American Crafts and it is called Rainbow Avenue. And it is so pretty. All of the little perfect charms and embellishments that come along with this paper set is just perfection. I also love pink and glitter, and so does my mom, so I'm using these alphabet thickers, also from American Crafts, to spell out Happy Mama's Day. And then I'll personalize the inside, and I know that she's going to love this picture of some of her grandchildren. I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial, and make sure to follow Lauren Quigley Creations and American Crafts and We Are Makers for more crafty content. Happy Mother's Day, beautiful babes!